They got a cheesecake here? Oh no. Look at all of that deliciousness, y'all. All of that deliciousness. They have cupcakes, cheesecake, cake, sweetness, chocolate, chocolate chips, cookies. Oh wow, I don't know if y'all can see if this is doing any justice because I have even donuts. Look at the donuts. Can you really see the deliciousness of the donuts? Delicious. I'm gonna get a slice of cheesecake.
We have like a.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. It's good? You sure? Look, she said, Oh, you have the round, just the round pieces, right?
Yeah.
No, that's cool. Which one's the best?
For me, I think the strawberry inside this one.
She liked the strawberry, y'all. How long you been working here? A while?
1 year.
Oh yeah? 1 year. Oh my goodness, look at the strawberry on top.
Strawberry on top?
The strawberry on top, not the squirrel. That's the one you like though, right?
Yes.
Tempted. I'm gonna get the one that just looks so nice with the strawberry on it. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that goodness.
Sí, yo sé todo diario.
We're gonna get this, y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all home and I'm gonna eat it. I'm like a kid in a candy store. So, it's a little messy, y'all, but this is the Calandra. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not a big strawberry on top and all that. I just give me the cheesecake, but I just wanted to try this here. Let's hold it up to you guys. Can you see that? How's the light on it? That's some good cheesecake. Well, let me taste it first. I've never had Calandra's cheesecake before. Now, the last time on our YouTube, I forget what episode it was, probably episode 4 or 5, we did cheesecake at Junior. So let's see how this is gonna taste. I just want you guys to see. Well, that piece fell on the table. My table's clean. I'm gonna eat this. It's nothing like creamy cheesecake. I'm trying to compare it to Junior's though. That's sad. I dropped that piece of cheesecake on the table. If you like cheesecake, and if you're in New York, if you like cheesecake and you're in Newark, New Jersey, go try Calandra's. I think we should do like a little competition. Who has the best cheesecake in Newark, New Jersey? Who has the best cheesecake in the Newark area, the greater New York area, in the metropolitan area? Calandra's, y'all. What's the address? The address is not on here. Calandra'sBakery.com. The address is, they got 3 locations. 204 First Avenue in Newark, New Jersey. 244 Route 46 East Fairfield, New Jersey. 234 Bloomfield Avenue in Caldwell, New Jersey. Those are the three that they have in the vicinity. All right, let's take another. Let me get a little close shot of that. Let's take another bite of this cheesecake. This could be my food, man. I could just eat cheesecake. That's half of it. It is so good. If you like cheesecake, my best dessert is cheesecake and peach cobbler, then sweet potato pie. Those are my three best desserts. My three favorite desserts. I'm eating this little piece off my hand. Y'all know I done ate off the table. If this cheesecake would have fell on the floor, I'd have been eating this off my floor. I don't know about nobody else's floor. But it's so good. This is Matt DV, y'all. This is Newark, New Jersey. The best is yet to come. If nobody told you that they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. Love you, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh! I am making a mess. Ice cold milk. Hear that? That's ice in my milk. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know how we're going to play this video, but I'm just still eating. I got a little bit of the strawberry. I don't know what is that on it. Strawberry gel or whatever. All right, y'all. I'm really going this time. Calandra, Diggy D. I know some of y'all be home eating off the box. That's really good. Y'all pray for me. Peace.